Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 9th. Hope all of you will be fine. Dear students, today the topic of our study is the significance of mitosis. Yesterday we studied about the whole process of mitosis, that how it takes place and what is the result of mitosis. The mitosis, let us revise it first. The mitosis, for the convenience, is divided into two major phases, which is the first of all the division of the nucleus into two nuclei, and after that the division of cytoplasm also. When the division of nucleus takes place, this process is known as karyokinesis, and the division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. Now further, the karyokinesis, which is the division of nucleus, single nucleus into two, is divided into four phases, which is called as prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. After these four phases, the nucleus divides into two daughter nuclei and karyokinesis completes over here. Then comes the turn of cytokinesis, which divides the cytoplasm also and produces two daughter cells. This was the original parent cell before starting mitotic division, and this is the divided daughter cells. These two daughter cells, as we studied yesterday, has the same number of chromosomes and are similar to the parent cells in the composition also. This is the parent cell and these two are the daughter cells. So we see that there is increase in the number of cells which are identical to the parent cells at the end of the mitotic division. So this phenomena, that is the increase in number of the cell, is used in the nature at different occasions. So in the significance of mitosis, we study that there is the increase in the number of cells which are called the daughter cells, and these daughter cells have chromosomes which are alike in composition and equal in number. So there are different occasions in which the organisms use mitotic division. The first of all, the mitotic division is used in the development and growth. Here we see that the single cell, which is called as zygote, is divided into the by mitotic division into the 2, then 4, then 8, and it divides continually to form a new multicellular body of the human baby. This division, which takes place in the zygote until the production of the multicellular body, is known as the development of a zygote. So mitotic division is involved in the development of a zygote into a multicellular body, plus when the baby is born, it grows day by day. So the division which is involved in the growth of the baby is also the mitotic division. So development and growth involves the mitotic division. Cell replacement. Our skin cells, we see when they are injured, they are replaced by the same skin as we have after a few days due to the mitosis. How it happens? The cells which are present in our skin, they divides by mitosis and replace the injured skin. इसके अलावा on daily basis, or we can say that regularly, our skin is dead after few days and it is replaced by the new cells, and in the digestive tract the same takes place, that the cells of the digestive tract and the skin are constantly sloughed off. Slugged off is a term in which the dead cells are replaced by the new cells. So mitosis is involved in replacement of the skin cells and the digestive tract cells. Similarly, our red blood cells has become dead after few months, that is 4 months, and the new cells are replaced by these dead cells. regeneration of the parts of the body. In few organisms, we see, for example, in the sea star, when it lost one of its limb or arm, it is replaced by mitotic division. That is, the mitosis takes place in the already present cells and the whole arm is replaced after some time. Similarly, if we see or observe lizard at our home, when it lost its tail, it comes after few days by mitotic division. The same phenomena, that is mitotic division, takes place in the asexual reproduction. Mitosis is actually the means of asexual reproduction. That is, asexual reproduction, that is mitosis is involved in the asexual reproduction also, in which the body reproduce new plant or the organism, like just in the case of bacteria, which is just like them. Now, how they reproduce into the new body asexually, let us see the example of Hydra. In Hydra, the cells on the surface divides and produces a mass of cell which is called as bud. Now further, in the bud, the mitotic division takes place and whole new plant body is formed. The asexual reproduction also takes place in vegetative reproduction, in which different parts of a plant vegetatively propagate and produces a new plant which is just like to them. So today we studied about the significance of mitosis. Hope so, dear students, it will be very much clear to your minds. Please memorize it and write it down in your neat notebooks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.